Sum, you are given an integer array nums and an integer target. You want to build an expression out of nums by adding one of the symbols plus and negative before each integer in nums and then concatenate all the integers. For example, this is our nums array. There's 2 and 1 inside. You can add a plus before 2 and minus before 1 and concatenate them to build the expression plus minus 1. Return that number of different expressions you can build, which evaluates the target. So this basically is asking for the total number of ways that we can build uh, the total number of ways that we can get to our target. So for example here, this is our nums array, and these are the values inside. Now target 3, and our output should be 5 because we have 5 ways to be able to get to 3. So that's this example is one is simple 1 1 because we only have one way to get to 1. So let's get into this. So this is a dynamic programming. Dynamic programming problem. So let's make a table, dictionary, dp to store our target, our target, and total ways to get to target. Let's call it dp equals to default dictionary, and put our date integer inside. It should be integer inputs, and dp of 0, the sum that adds up to 0 will be 1. There's only one way. Okay, that's how we're going to start with. So now let's iterate through our nums. So for num and nums, so once we have the values, we'll make dp. Let's make a next dp similar to, so the next dp equals to default take integer also. So for every sum we can write sum code. Let's just like ask for sum in inside our dp. Let's take next dp, so the next value, the dp equals to next dp, the sum in next dp, and hold on, the sum in next dp plus and then minus uh, plus num, the sum in it, minus, and then will be added to our dp sum index. So it's the same exact one as this next one, but it has a minus instead of a plus. So that'll be dps minus num plus dps. So in this example, we have a dp for s and dp. So we're going to start with 0, right? Okay. So we get the nums. So for num1 over here, and let's check its so it's um 0. No, this is 1 plus 0, which we have here, and that's a 1. There'll be, so now the dp will be 1, and then we move on of 1, and then move on to the other one, which would be a minus now. So no, the nums will be minus, so it will be a minus 1. So so it's still 0 0. 0 plus minus num will be 0 minus 1, negative 1, negative 1. So negative 1 sum will be here, and then we go over to the next one again. So this one here, and then this one we'll do both of the two other sums that we have calculated, the 1 and the negative 1. So that it will do 1 plus 1. Hold on. Somewhat so oh man, this thing it is somewhat complicated to explain, but our next we use this dp here. So dp will now be equals to next minus dp, and that's it. Return, hold on, return dp target. So now we come, so let me explain this again. So the s and dp, so it will be stored inside this once we have these two. So 1, so we'll calculate how much times we got to this, and then that will be this value index, and it will correspond here, and then up until we get to the 3, our target, and that should work. Let's see if it does. And that's it for this problem. Our time complexity is time complexity is O of t times n space complexity is O of n. And let's submit it to see if it's going to pass all cases. And it's been able to pass all cases.